Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Shifa, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to share about how I survive the lower point of my life. So before we start, I want to drink coffee first. Okay, so let's go. People always talk about how your 20s are supposed to be the best years of your life. But honestly, mine started with grief. So, when I was 20, I lost my father, and honestly, I think a part of me got lost too after that because at that age, you still need guidance, you still need someone to tell you, like, it's okay, you can do it, it's okay, everything is gonna be alright. But suddenly, my foundation was gone, and the hardest part is life doesn't stop just because you're grieving. The world keep moving. People still expect you to wake up, work, smile, and act normal. Meanwhile, you are secretly trying not to fall apart. And I remember thinking, okay, I don't have time to completely break down because I still had my mother and I still had my sister. So even though I felt lost, I forced myself to keep going. Not because I was strong, but because I felt like I had no other choice. Eventually, I got a job. At first, I thought maybe life was finally getting better, but honestly, that workplace slowly became of the most emotionally exhausting environments I have ever experienced. You know, those workplaces that keep saying we are like family. Yeah, sometimes that sentence is actually terrifying because behind all of that family image, there was so much toxicity, so much discomfort, so many situations that made me question myself. I even got dragged into personal problems that had nothing to do with me. And the frustrating part was I came there to work, not to carry everyone else's chaos, but I stayed for 4 years. 4 years of trying to be patient, and then one day I suddenly lost that job too. No warning, no preparation, no backup plan, nothing. And honestly, that moment terrified me because when something ends unexpectedly, it feels like life is forcing you to restart from zero overnight. I remember sitting there thinking, so what am I supposed to do now? Especially because finding a job these days isn't easy. The economy is difficult, everything feels uncertain. I got rejected many times, and I'm not gonna lie, at first every rejection hurt me deeply. I used to take it personally. I used to think maybe I'm not good enough, but slowly my mindset started changing. Now I see things differently. Sometimes rejection isn't rejection. Sometimes it's protection. Maybe God was protecting me from places I begged to stay in. Maybe some doors closes because they are no longer meant for us. And honestly, that thought helped me survive mentally. Because if I kept seeing every painful moment as punishment, I think I would have drowned in sadness a long time ago. So now I just try my best, slowly, quietly, patiently. I'm still rebuilding my life. I'm still figuring things out, but I think there's something beautiful about surviving phases you thought would destroy you. Because one day you suddenly look back and realize, wow, I actually survived all of that. And maybe that's what strength really is. Not pretending to be okay all the time, but continuing anyway, even when life feels heavy. So if you are currently feeling lost in life, I just want you to know this. It's okay to not have everything to figure out yet. You are not failing just because your journey looks different from other people. Some chapters feel painful because they are preparing you for a future you cannot see yet. And maybe one day you will understand why life had to break certain parts of you before rebuilding you into someone stronger. Anyway, thank you so much for listening my thought, and I hope this is motivate you, and sorry if something wrong that I said. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.